Hey guys, Volvo Mike here. I'm going to show you how to replace your key fob battery in any modern Volvo. It is a industry standard CR2032. You can pick them up on Amazon, Walmart, some gas stations, but they don't really show you how to do it just looking at the fob, so I'll show you. It's pretty easy. So you've got a slider on the top of the key. This is actually the one that will help you remove the top cover. So with one of your fingers, pull down on that, and your cover only moves about a millimeter or so, just that amount, but it is undone. So now you just pull open on that, and there's a secondary slider here under the cover we just removed, and that is actually going to help us, same way, take off the back cover. Now that exposes the battery cover, and all you need is a pretty good sized flathead screwdriver. Turn that off, and I've got a pick. You don't necessarily need one. You can use a smaller screwdriver, but this is kind of a helpful tool to get this off of there. And once that's off, you can't just pry the battery out. You've got to actually, you've got to actually use this little spring down here. If you just pry the battery out, sometimes you can break this little tab and then it won't hold the new one in. So just pull down on the battery. You can kind of see that spring move, and then the battery will pop straight out if it doesn't pop out like it did the first time. And then to put the new one in, kind of push down on it and pop it under that tab. After that, you simply line up the little arrows. I know it's kind of hard to see. Turn it that 1/8 of a turn again. And then in reverse order, and these covers only go on one way. Clip both of the covers back on. And the top one, remember the Volvo logo has to be pointed downwards or away from that tab. And you're good to go. Hope this helped. Thanks.